Welcome back, guys. We're told to activate our accounts here on Zoho campaigns. After we've created 4 Zoho campaigns, we're going to activate it. So I'll check my inbox here, and here is confirm your Zoho account. And I was sent this mail to confirm my Zoho account. So I'll just click on confirm, and it's going to confirm my Zoho account. And here I have another inbox that says welcome to Zoho campaigns, and we have 14-day free trial. This is one of the tools you can use professionally to create mailing lists and to send newsletters out, to send campaigns, email campaigns, and all that. Is one of the professional tools I would recommend for freelancers and everybody to use. And I'll be using this to verify my accounts. And having to have my accounts verified, I want to create my first mailing list. To create my first mailing list, there are different tools you can do that actually. As you can see, it says add contacts, and you can see it's here, add contacts, and you can import from like MailChimp and every other tool you have that has gathered email like Salesforce and Zoho Recruits, Zoho CRM, and these are things you can easily do. But right now you can import CSV, and we are familiar with CSV already. Verify this. We are familiar with CSVs already. I'll try to go to my Google form to convert one of the emails I've gathered. I'll convert it to a CSV file. It's something I've done before, so I'll just do it quickly now again and again. So to see how to create a CSV file, you can create it on spreadsheets, on Google Spreadsheets. You can create it on Excel. All you have to do is to export what you've created, a list you've created, and right now I'll be able to verify my Zoho accounts, and that's good enough for us. So we have like the Google Forms right here. So all I have to do is to try to export a mailing list from the ones I've always have. And here is the form. I have something like this Udemy giveaway. I'll just come to this to check the Udemy giveaway. Then I'll try to export the emails right here. All I have to do is to say I want to download responses in .csv. I'm going to download responses, and I have that downloaded already. All I have to do is to come back to my Zoho campaigns and see what I've downloaded. This is CSV file I've downloaded. I'm going to have this extracted. I'm going to extract all, and I have this extracted, and this is the Udemy giveaway contact list. All I have to do is to add contacts using CSV. I'm going to import using CSV. I clicked on import, and I'll select the file, and I have the file on my computer. I'll check downloads, and this is it right here. I'll open this, and it's going to have that uploaded. Then I'm going to upload the file right here. Having to upload this, it says subscription type. Choose the email campaign subscription type for contact, and you can try to choose preferences, marketing, contact, subscribe to receive campaigns, no marketing, and unsubscribe. So I'll leave it this way. Update subscription type for existing contacts, and I'll just save this. Seems like you haven't agreed to a particulars, so I'll take this contact I've given consent, yes, and I'll save this. And here we have the list selection. Select the main list to import your contact to, and we can do some of this. Let's see what this is. And we have a sample list. You can create a mailing list. I'll just create a mailing list for this. I'll say Udemy students. I'll say Udemy students. So I'll save this as Udemy students, and we are going to have this as a mailing list, and we have this as the list selection, and we are going to save this. So we have a list selection of Udemy students, and map your custom field with respective Zoho campaigns field to store your contact information. You can show advanced option, assign tags to your contacts, categorize and organize them. Here I'll say Udemy courses as the tag. I'm going to create that. I'm going to Udemy courses, and we're going to have this created actually, and I'll save this, and we have Udemy courses. I'm going to assign tags, and we're going to continue with what we have to do. We have this sorted out already. We have map fields, so I'm going to click on map fields too, and what I'm going to map is the name. I'm going to map the name should be first name, and the email address, of course, contact email, And what again, we can map the WhatsApp number as well. So let's say phone number. Okay, let's say phone. Then we're going to save this. So we should map this. Okay, so we've mapped three feeds, and let's say mobile. We have to map this as mobile. We have to map this as mobile. So we should map this as mobile. We're going to save this, and here we have it all. So we're going to import our contact successfully, and that way we've gotten our first mailing list. Let's see what is going to be like. So we have these, and right now we have 11 contacts from the list I just uploaded. So there are 11 contacts. You can re-add contacts, duplicate contacts, ignore contacts. So we can do this, and here we have our first mailing list. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to create a campaign and send to our first mailing list. I hope to see you there. See you there.